I've tried and tried to run and hide, to find a life that's new. But wherever I go, I always know I can't escape from you. These wasted years are souvenirs of lies you swore were true. Your memory is chained to me. I can't escape from you. This jug of wine may numb my mind, but what good does it do? The jug runs dry, and still I cry. I can't escape from you. There is no end. I can't pretend. Lies will soon come true. A slave too long to a heart of stone. I can't escape.